left me with this trash here? Excuse me?
Ha!
Are you the one that packed this car here?
Yes, it's my car. Any problem?
Why would you leave the space and decide to park just right beside me? Are you okay?
Ha! Let me drive out.
Please, kindly drive out and take this trash out here. Thank you.
No. I will not take that one from you. Each first one, you have asked me, am I okay? I paid death tears, make a no me. But you telling me I should take my trash away from here, I will not take that one from you. I'm working at moto. Okay, Bunisha manager Naraho. I'm even working on the moto. I can't expect about one.
Excuse me. Are you stupid, man?
You don't faint. What did he tell you?
The girls do not win in your family. Over here, the girls win. The girls rock the world. Get the trash out here, my nigga.
Women.
It's not your fault. Don't want to have East to be able to do them man. Yoruba.
You? Are you stupid? Are you dumb, fam? What is rubbish is she have for? Man. Oh,
This is shocking.
Oh, I come and say, I want to know how you Igbo John. I know you know G. Those room is shown. Let me some pack here before. Here come pack. Young number game. And when one was through for here. You know here.
So do you want Snapchat, Instagram, or that?
You know, every Snapchat, that they can pocket. You don't know, you pocket direct. You can then make hello, babe.
You have to put it for you. You should even want
one. You know, number now.
You should go for Agua.
Obasarage. I'm a long way. Happen.
And when I do before, okay, well, why again? We're on the town.